finally stopped raining, and I'm going to attempt to finish this pickling cucumber trellis build. So basically, I'm going to create a box, just upcycle these landscape blocks here, and I'm actually going to build a frame out of wood, make it whatever, yay tall above this. Basically where it's going to be at right there, this height, so it'll be a good 16-inch raised bed pretty much for the pickling cucumbers. That's the goal. So I've already pre-cut these boards. I got 4 boards that are pre-cut. I don't know what the measurement is. I just eyeballed it and I'm like, oh yeah, that looks good. So we're gonna put those. We're gonna put those there. I got a couple more 2x4s, that way if I want to cut them and raise the height, shouldn't be no problem. So now I need to dig this out to level it. Pretty darn level. I got this nice and leveled out now, and I'm going to take these boards, attach them to the inside here, and I'm going to stack another set. And lastly, this 2x8 I'm going to stack, so it's really going to end up being about this high. So that's it for today's portion of our build. This right here is going to be for the pickling cucumbers. I'm actually going to plant the pickling cucumbers right here and put strings down so they can grow straight up. And on the back side of this box, I'm going to plant flowers to help detract animals or deer or anything from trying to eat it. I haven't decided whether or not I'm going to just put a fence up and over. That's to be determined. I think we're going to let it roll for the first year and see what happens. I'm going to build my gate, and that's about it. I'm fairly well wrapped up on this one before I start filming raised beds. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode.